guys, welcome back and thanks for watching today. In this video we're going to do a whitewash how-to, and it's not your typical whitewash. In this one I'm going to show you how you can transform a wood top that has kind of like an orange, reddish, or yellowish tone to it. Typically if you whitewash over that type of wood, you'll still get kind of that bleed through coming through. So I'm going to show you how you can get like a faux wood whitewash finish with just two colors. So my first step here, I'm just wetting a towel that I'm going to use throughout the video. You want it to be kind of damp, and then I'm also just cleaning off the actual table itself just to make sure I get any kind of fuzzies or dirt that might be on there. Okay, so the first color I'm going to start with is just a white paint. This can be a white, off-white, bright white, any kind of white that you want to use. And it is watered down, so it's 50-50 consistency. So I used 50% distilled water and then 50% paint. And then you're going to basically just dip your brush, and I'm going to do an all over brush on with this one. Once I'm done brushing that on, I'm going to take my damp cloth and just wipe away some of this. And here you can see some of that reddish orangish tone coming through. But don't worry, we're going to fix that. Alright, so now we're going to go in with our tan color. Here I'm just showing you how I mix it with the 50 paint and 50 water. And you can use any tan color you want. This was just a mist tint that I bought from Home Depot for like $9 that I had laying around. And it was like the perfect color. But basically any light tan will work for you. On this color, I'm not going to do a full coverage. Instead, I'm going to do more of a feathering motion just to kind of blend it out. And then you're going to see I use a spray bottle with distilled water to spray onto the whole piece and kind of blend it into the wood. this is the part where I add the water. So I just basically spray the top of the table down, just a light mist, and then use my dry brush just to kind of blend it out, just to give it a more softer, not so feathered look. As you can see here, most of the red tone, yellowish tone has completely gone away. So from here on out, I'm doing basically a dry brush. So I dip my brush in the paint color I want to use and then wipe it off with just a paper towel or just any rag that you have lying around. And then you just kind of do like a feather effect here and there in certain spots. And then you can spray a little bit of water, just mist it and blend it in. You can see here, I'm going to go back and forth with the white and then the tan and the white and the tan until I get the ideal look that I want. Alright, so now that my piece has completely dried, I did let it dry overnight. Honestly, 4 to 5 hours is probably enough time. I'm going to go in with my top coat, and I'm using the Varathane polyurethane in a matte finish. And I just poured into this Tupperware just because it's like longer and easier to spread out. And I used my blue sponge, spray it down just to get it damp. And then that will help spread on the poly to the top much smoother and cleaner. This is the finished product once everything has dried. I usually do about 2 coats of polyurethane. That's usually enough. Sometimes I'll have to do 3. With this one, I only did 2. But you could see here it kind of gives like a faux wood finish, and all of the orangey yellowish color is completely gone and does not bleed through. And this is the complete finished product. With the bottom, I painted it in a minty green color, and then just used the matte polyurethane on the bottom as well. If you guys have any questions about furniture flipping, or any questions about whitewashing, feel free to leave comments down below. And I thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my videos so that you can see more in the future, and I will see you later.